I should think 2 or 3 days. Don't worry. We'll talk.
Maria, I can't stay here. I left Radar all alone.
Oh, that's all right, Big Bird. We'll bring him.
But who'll sleep in my nest?
It'll be waiting for you when you're better.
But I don't want to stay here.
You've got to, Big Bird. It's the only way to get well.
Thanks a lot, Maria. I thought you were my friend. Maria, where are we going now?
To bed.
To bed? But it's still daytime.
Look at that, Big Bird. A bed that goes up and down. Isn't that great?
Yeah, well, it's not like my nest. Oh, now what are you going to take from me?
Oh, no, I'm not going to take anything. We're going to get medicine into your body quickly through this.
There's a needle. It's going to hurt, isn't it?
Yes, but only for a little while, and I promise I'll do it as fast as I can.
Oh, I don't want to.
Oh, Big Bird, let's think about something else while she does that, okay? What are you going to do when you're all better and you get to go home?
Oh, see Snuffy.
Oh, yes.
Ow!
Of course.
Ow!
Yes.
Ow!
Yeah.
Ow!
What else, Big Bird?
Play with Elmo.
Oh, yeah,
Ow!
that'll be fun. Yeah.
Oh.
And anything else? Huh?
Yes. I'm going to forget about this place.
Oh, Big Bird. I know how you feel. It's okay to cry.
Well, you bet it is.
There. No, there. I'm all done, and you were great. See, look. The medicine goes into your body through this.
Oh, Big Bird, now what else are you going to do when you're all better and you go home?
I'm going to get a new friend who isn't Maria.
Big Bird, why are you angry at me?
Well, it was your idea to call a doctor. You brought me to this place.
I had to, Big Bird. You're not well.
And you let them take all of those tests.
Big Bird, that's because I want them to make you better. I love you and you're sick.
Well, that's just what I'd like to know. What did I do wrong to get sick?
Nothing.
Well, then, how come I got sick?
Big Bird, you got a virus. These things happen and it's nobody's fault.
Nobody's?
Nobody's. I had to bring you here, but I'll do everything I can to help make you feel better.
Well, Maria, tell me a story.
Yes, of course. Once upon a time...
Not that one. I don't like that one.
Okay, how about Three Little Pigs?
Yeah.
Okay. Once upon a time, there were three little...
Maria,
Yes?
maybe I won't be mad at you tomorrow.
Okay, Big Bird. Once upon a time, there were one very sick bird who got sick, and it wasn't anybody's fault.